শুরু করতে পারেন।
বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। Online class of Gadipur Rajakiya Janakalyan High School, Ramganj, Lukhimpur is going to start. I am Mohammad Abdullah Bhuiya, Assistant Headmaster, Gadipur Rajakiya High School, Ramganj, Lukhimpur. Today my class is for 9 and 10. Yeah, subject English second paper. Dear student, you are welcome.
Assalamualaikum.
Lesson for today, take question. Take question. That was we are I am getting the definition of take question. What is take question? Take question is a phrase added to the end of the statement in order to transform it into a question or check that the statement is correct. Again, what is take question? Take question is a phrase added to the end of a statement in order to transform it into a question or check that the statement is correct. It is the definition of that question. Dear student, you can see the definition of that question in our scanner. On our scanner. After that question means add question. That question means add question. We use that question at the end of the statements to ask for confirmation. Again, we use that question at the end of the statement to ask for confirmation. They mean something like, am I right? Am I right is take part. It is take part. Or do you agree? It is take part. They are very common in English. Their questions are very common in English. To make that questions, you can use the operators. Am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, should, would, have, has, had, can, would, may, might, must, ought, do, does, did, used to, need, dare, etc. Again, to make that question, you can use the operators. These operators are using to make that question. Am, is, are. Am, is, are. Present continuous am, is, are. Was, past continuous was, were. Future tense হলো shall, will, এবং should, would. Present verb এর রূপ যদি present perfect হয় তাহলে have, has এবং past perfect had এবং মডুল হিসাবে can, could, may, might, must, ought to, do, does, did, used to, etc. You may use these operators to make the questions. To make the questions, you can follow the rules. There are 4 rules in our scanner. At first, write down the sentence. At first, write down the sentence. Second, after writing the sentence, you can use a comma. Number 2, you can use a comma. Number 3, use operator, affirmative to negative operator to the affirmative হয় তাহলে you can use it negative, have negative short form, negative short form. For an example, am not, am on, or are on, is not, is on, have not, have on, etc. And negative to affirmative, do not, do. Operator in the main sentence, operator do not. You can use only do for negative to affirmative. Write down pronoun of the subject. Number 4, write down pronoun of the subject. Number 5, use an interrogative sign. Use an interrogative sign. There are 5 words, 5 things. At first, write down the sentence. Write down the sentence which is given in your question paper. In your question paper, write down the sentence. Number 2, use a comma. Use a comma after writing the sentence, writing the statement. Number 3, use operator. Operator, operator the affirmative হয় তাহলে operator যে হবে নেগেটিভ সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ, নেগেটিভ সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ। আর operator যদি নেগেটিভ হয় তাহলে হবে সেটা affirmative হবে, ট্যাগের অংশ হবে affirmative. Write down the pronoun the subject. স্টেটমেন্টের যে সাবজেক্ট হবে সেই সাবজেক্টের প্রোনাউন বলবে সর্বশেষ। এবং নাম্বার 5, ইউজ অ্যান ইন্টারোগেটিভ সাইন। Tag questions basic. Basic. পজিটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট হলে হবে নেগেটিভ ট্যাগ হবে। স্টেটমেন্ট যদি পজিটিভ হয় তাহলে ট্যাগ হবে নেগেটিভ। ফর এক্সাম্পল, it is a great day. এটা পজিটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট। It is a great day. It is a positive statement. Operator is affirmative. You can use it short from, negative short from, isn't. Subjective pronoun it. Subjective pronoun it. At last you must use an interrogative sign. This negative. Secondly, negative statement. Statement negative. Negative statement হলে ট্যাগের অংশ হবে পজিটিভ। For an example, you don't know, don't, negative operator don't. You must use here only do. That means positive tag part. You pronoun holo you. At last you must use an interrogative sign. Now we are going to our classwork. So you make tag portions of the following statement. I am an SSC examinee. I subject, am holo auxiliary verb, and SSC examinee object. Here operator is positive operator. Positive operator am এর নেগেটিভ রূপ হবে am not অথবা are not. Most of books we can see am not am এর সঙ্গে am এর পজিটিভ নেগেটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট হলো are not. So I am SSC examinee. Number 8, ট্যাগ অংশ হবে আরন I. ট্যাগ অংশ হবে আরন I. Number B, my expectation is getting A. My expectation getting A or A plus, anyhow. Operator is, operator হলো এখানে is. My expectation এখানে operator is এর জন্য হবে, নাম্বার B হলো is এর জন্য হবে is on. As my expectation এর জন্য হলো if. Number C, they could not pass the test exam. Could not operator is negative from. operator is negative from, so we in that part we must use it affirmative from. That means could they, could they. Affirmative from could they. Subject they, pronoun they. Subject they, pronoun they, could they. Number D. Everybody hates them for this reason. There is no operator sign. There is no operator sign. But verb is S by S. আছে যোগ আছে, yes যোগ আছে। In generally, yes যদি যোগ থাকে তাহলে we may use here does or doesn't. But here subject everybody. Everybody pronoun হবে they. Everybody pronoun হবে they. So we use here don't they, don't they, don't they. From heads we find out does in the part everybody subject হলো they. এর জন্য হবে don't they, don't they. এই চারটা আমি বুঝিয়ে দিলাম। আশা করি ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট তোমরা অবশ্যই কি বুঝে নিয়েছো। Now we are going to individual one. Individually, number E. Let's. Let's means let us. Let's means let us. Let's be sincere in our life. Let's be sincere in our life. It is what kind of sentence is it? What kind of sentence is it? It is imperative sentence. It is imperative sentence. Let's means let us. This kind of sentence you make a question. Shall we? Shall we? Number E. Number E. E number A. Shall we? আসের জন্য হলো we. আসের জন্য we. Let's. Let us. Shall we? Number F. F number. Every student should be sincere to shine in life. Every student should be. Every student should be. Student জন্য কি হতে পারে? Shouldn't. Every student এর জন্য হবে they. Every student এর জন্য হবে they. Every student যদি মনে হয় যেন এক বছর, কিন্তু এখানে every student এর যখন pronoun হবে তখন এখানে হবে কি they. Nobody is as successful as a sincere man. Nobody is. নিজের জন্য কি হবে হওয়ার কথা? নিজের জন্য isn't হওয়ার কথা। Nobody pronoun হলো nobody pronoun হলো they. So we use here aren't they. Aren't they. There is a little water in the jar. Is এর জন্য কি হবে isn't, আর there এর জন্য there. Nobody respect a dishonest man. Nobody respect. Nobody respect. There is no operator in the sentence. Respect. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. There is no auxiliary verb. We may use here do verb. We may use here do verb. Do verb. Do does did. We may use here don't. Nobody. No. Nobody. জন্য don't হবে না। Use here do they. যেহেতু nobody নেগেটিভ না এর বন্ধ আছে সেই হিসাবে কি হবে না এখানে do they হবে এখানে do they. Let's enjoy. Let's আমরা আরেকটা করিয়েছি let's আরেকটা করিয়েছি। Let's এর জন্য কি হবে let's এর জন্য কি shall we. You may use negative from here. Negative from shall not, short from shan't be. Shall not, short from shan't be. What a pity. In this sentence, there is no operator, but উচ্চ একটা operator আছে, that is is. That is is. Isn't it হবে এখানে? Isn't it? Don't disturb me. It is imperative sentence negative from. It is imperative sentence negative from. এখানে হবে shall, will you, will you, will you. Don't disturb me imperative sentence. এখানে হবে will you. Dear student, today's class we are discussing that question in your question paper number 9. Question number 9. Only 5 numbers you can take. This type question, it is easy matter, easy grammatical matter. Now look at this scenario. Stay at home, remain safe in emergency situation. If you have to go out, number 1, use sanitizer. Number 2, put on mask and maintain social distance. You must obey these rules. You must obey these rules. And you all no more today, more than when we meet again.